Hey guys, it is currently Wednesday, June 25th. We're currently looking at New York. It has finally closed. We will also be looking at New York pre-market as well, just to see the plays that's happened today. So since it's already past 4, the New York session highs and lows have been printed, but when New York opens, we won't be seeing these highs and lows as you see here. As you see on the 5-minute, we had a 5-minute break above one of the ranges here, but it was not a successful break on the 15-minute. So as you can see, it was a rejection, and then it touched it again to retest this level for shorts. So as you see on the 1 minute, it was chopping a bit, downside and then reverse, chop, chop, chop. And then once it bounced off this for the last retest, as was shown here and here, it just ripped down. So this is the ES futures. If you waited for this chop to finish and then entered at any point here, which is below the volume matrix, which is the VWAP, below the overlay, we got a trend flow flip, enter that like right here and play all the way down to the range here. Nice 12 points, almost a full 13 points. And then towards like the noon and afternoon, it is tickling this range here, and then it fully breaks it, and then it just reverses or like a deep pullback, and then it comes down again to come toward this level and then fully break it. You could have waited for the overlay and the volume matrix, entered here, and then bam, another 11 points. If we look at breakout cycle, since today was fully choppy, even in the pre-market, there was a lot of chop going on. There was a lot of mini breakouts that were happening. As you see here, we got small breaks during Asia, small break here, small break here on the upside, and then just continues to chop and chop. Small break, another small break, and then this was like a pretty significant move here. So one nice little scalp, like peak 5 points, and then just chops the whole day. And even during New York Open, which is around here, it just continues to go up and down and just range. And then a downside breakout, which was like kind of small here, 5 points, but you would have had some drawdown here. There was at least two good breakouts that happened, one in pre-market and one during New York session, which was towards the end of the day at 3 o'clock. There's a nice pump here that happened, which was 6-7 points. The breakout cycle definitely struggled a bit today, but if you looked at the ranger with the trend flow, you would have some really nice moves looking at the ranges of the highs and lows. If you want to get indicators like these, check out my channel and check out the link below. I will link a video on how you can get access to these insane indicators.